Good evening, DG.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, DG.
Good evening.
Good evening.
All of you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sridhar.
Good evening. Good evening, Kishore.
How are you? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
வர போறப்பா மெட்ராஸ்க்கு.
Kishore sir, welcome sir. Good
ரெண்டு
evening.
மாசத்துல வரேன்.
Good evening, AJ. Welcome.
Kishore sir, good evening.
Welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening, DG. Good evening.
Good evening, DG.
Namaskaram.
Everyone.
Namaskaram.
Good evening, sir. Bhupendra sir, good evening.
Hi, Senthil sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Best wishes for
Welcome, Rotarian, past President Sophia. Welcome. Rotary Club of Corfu, Greece. Welcome to our program. Welcome to our installation program of President. Welcome.
GS, shall we start?
Yeah, she has come. Yes.
Yeah, we can go ahead and get started. Yeah.
You can mute all and start the sound.
Sophia, where is Sophia?
Reggie, have you muted everyone? Shall I mute?
Go ahead and mute GS.
I request the RC Rayapeta members to put their names. Few names are new to me, so I need to know them.
Sure. So, friends, type your name wherever possible and
Mention RCR, please.
yes.
So it's shorter for him to read, for our DG to read.
Reggie.
Good evening, all.
GS, shall we start?
Yeah.
We are 4 minutes.
6:05 exactly.
Okay.
Reggie, we have 1 more minute. No problem.
Yeah, sure.
Dr. Senthil, good evening. Shankar from Pearls. All the
Shankar
best.
sir, good evening.
All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Sridhar sir, Subramanian.
Dr. Senthil, all good?
Rotarian Ravishankar, welcome.
Good evening,
Welcome,
Mr.
sir.
Secretary. Good evening,
Thank you,
Ravi.
sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Reggie.
All the best. All the best.
We'll go
All the
ahead.
best.
We'll go ahead and get started.
We can start.
Rotary opens opportunities, and the opportunity opened up for us to travel through this trailblazing T20 year, which is a history in the origin of mankind. Now it is time to serve, to change lives of people in our community. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, past President Rotarian Dr. G. Saravanan and Ann Sita from MC Desk. Welcome to the most important and colorful event of any Rotary year, the installation of the 20th President of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, Rotarian Dr. Senthil Kumar and his team of office bearers. Welcome to the chief guest of this evening, DGE Rotarian J. Sridhar, DSC Rotarian Ravishankar, AGE Rotarian Murugan, RSC Rotarian Karunagaran, Rotarians all over the district, Rotarian Sophia from Greece, friends, invited guests, Rotarians of RCR, ants and annets. Now I request President of RCR, Rotarian Reggie Jose, to call himself and call the meeting to order.
Rotary Club of Rayapeta installation meeting call to order.
Thanks a lot, President Reggie. Some of the most powerful, life-transforming revivals begin with a simple yet heartfelt prayer of invocation. When leaders and those they serve humbly bow their heads and their hearts and acknowledge what God already knows, we need Him. God shows up. He stills souls, lifts perspectives, and sparks within. So let's invoke the Almighty with a lovely invocation song sung by the MS of our club, Ankala. Ankala? Thank you, Gita.
எத்தனை கோடி இன்பம் வைத்தாய், எத்தனை கோடி இன்பம் வைத்தாய் எங்கள் இறைவா, இறைவா, இறைவா. எத்தனை கோடி இன்பம் வைத்தாய் எங்கள் இறைவா, இறைவா, இறைவா. சித்தினை அச்சுத்துடன் இணைத்தாய், அங்கு சேருமை போதத்து உலகமைத்தாய். அத்தனை உலகமும் வானத்தளம் ஆக பல பலனல் அழகுகள் சமைத்தாய். எத்தனை கோடி இன்பம் வைத்தாய் எங்கள் இறைவா, இறைவா, இறைவா. முக்தி என்றொரு நிலை சமைத்தாய், அங்கு முழுதினையும் உணரும் உணர்வமைத்தாய். முக்தி என்றொரு நிலை சமைத்தாய், அங்கு முழுதினையும் உணரும் உணர்வமைத்தாய். பக்தி என்றொரு நிலை வகுத்தாய், பக்தி என்றொரு நிலை வகுத்தாய் எங்கள் பரமா, 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 பரமா. எத்தனை கோடி இன்பம் வைத்தாய் எங்கள் இறைவா, இறைவா, இறைவா. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Anne Kala. That was such a soul-stirring rendition. It really lifted up our spirits and hopes of light at the end of the tunnel. வரும் நாட்கள் இன்பமயமானதாக இருக்கும் என்ற நம்பிக்கையோடு let's begin this auspicious evening. The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do is a test used by Rotarians worldwide as a moral code of personal and business relationships. This test can be applied to almost any aspect of our life. Here is our very own Anat Sachita to brief us on the four-way test. And Sachita?
First of all, I thank you all for this wonderful opportunity. Rotary, the four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you, Anat Sachita. To the audience here, Anat Sachita is the daughter of the President-elect, Dr. Sendil Kumar. Thank you. Now I request our club president, Rotarian Reggie Jose, to welcome the gathering. Over to Rotarian Reggie Jose. Yep. Reggie Jose, you can proceed with your welcome address. Thank you.
Thank you so much, GS. Subbu, you want to project the screen? Good evening to all of you. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible, Reggie.
Okay. Good evening to all of you. On behalf of the board and members of our club, I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, District Governor-elect Rotarian J. Sridhar, District Secretary Rotarian Ravi Shankar, Assistant Governor Rotarian Murugan, Regional Secretary Rotarian Karunagaran, Rotarian friends, invited guests, and family members of Rotary Club of Royapettah. The last 350 days has been an interesting roller coaster ride for me. As I look back, I'm reminded of a famous quote by Isaac Newton. If I have seen further, it's by standing on the shoulders of giants. My task as president of this 19-year-old club was relatively easy, with a strong foundation laid by charter members and past presidents, even Rotaractor turned Rotarians like Dr. Saravanan. We faced many challenges due to the pandemic and had limited or almost no opportunities to meet or enjoy in person. Still, as a club, we did all that we could do to socialize and do good to the society too. As I look back, I fondly recollect 8 key initiatives that were very close to my heart. First and foremost, the structural changes that we were able to do. Club seniors and board were gracious to experiment a few structural changes I had proposed. A slimmer, agile board from 17 to 9, activating club committees for every avenues. Our club has remarkable aunts and Annets, and this year they joined hands with us in several avenues, club committees, and added more color. Secondly, the club service activities. When we started this year, little did I know that we could be taught yoga, play tambola, enjoy antakshari, do karaoke, hobnob with celebrities from afar, from Zoom, over a Zoom platform. Every club has a club service director. We were blessed to have a club service couple, Rotarian Subbu and Ansita, who pushed the limits of Zoom platform. Their support helped fulfill a key promise I made to our club members during my installation. That is, to keep RCR family engaged, happy, and healthy. Thanks to both of you. The third area which I would like to highlight is the vocational service. We could collaborate with RC Ambattur, Rotary Hospital Ambattur, and our Rotaract College, Savita College of Physiotherapy, to ensure our physiotherapy PG doctors could support cerebral palsy children. 14 PG doctors supported this initiative besides regular consultancy. This initiative reinforced my belief that money is not needed to serve. Also, our monthly Margadarshi initiative for interactors and Annets to bring in experts to guide them on offbeat careers like armed forces, wildlife, hospitality, fashion designing, etc. was a big hit. Incidentally, we have Colonel Bhupinder also in the call. He was also one of those trainers. Thank you, sir. The fourth one is youth service. A long desired dream of our club has been to start an Interact club in a government school. We worked with Chennai Corporation and have started an Interact club in government school Lloyd's Colony, Roypeta. Another highlight, which was very close to my heart. Fifth is community service. This year, we focused specifically on Roypeta area, Lloyd's Colony, and we could support the slum dwellers in a place called Chelama Totam, donating books, used clothes, and more. During the first and second wave of COVID, we were able to support the needy with food, provisions, and even masks too. The sixth one is the public image one, another long-standing dream of our club members. We worked with Chennai Corporation to maintain Roypeta Clock Tower. We got a lot of media coverages on account of this. Most paid work needs to be done as next steps. The seventh one is Rotary Foundation. Besides looking for contributions within our club, we could reach out and received as well contributions from friends, family outside of Rotary Network. We have added a PHF. We have added a PHS through Dr. Saravanan and an EREY member. 100% of our members have contributed, and currently we have a per capita contribution of $130.56. Eighth, new members. These are the new gems that we added. We have added 6 new members into our family from diverse classification, including a lady Rotarian. These 8 were close to my heart. More can be seen in our club secretary Raghu's report. My heartfelt gratitude to all members of RCR family and to district officers for supporting us through the year. My best wishes to incoming President Dr. Senthil Kumar and his team to take our club to greater heights. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Reggie Jose. It was indeed, I would say, a snapshot of what we have done for the past 350 days. Thank you so much. And now, as Rotarian Reggie mentioned, it's now time to see what the club has done for the past 360 days and what we have in store for the next 10 days. Over to Secretary Rotarian Raghunathan for the Secretary report.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, you can see your screen, Raghu.
Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Raghunathan, Secretary for the year 2020-2021. And it's my pleasure to present you the Secretary report for the whole year of 2020 and 2021. Coming to the club, Rotary Club of Rayapeta, it is a 19 years old club. It's more of a family club, closely connected with most of the family members and like-minded people. It was chartered on 21st May 2002. Currently, we have 28 members and we have 1 honorary member. And we have now 8 PHF in our club, and our meeting avenue is Blue Iris Amchkare, and day we meet weekly Sunday at 8:30 a.m. Last year, it was a challenge. We met most of the time through virtual platform. Coming to the classification spread for 28 members, I'll just touch upon the new members who we have added. So you can see the people who have been newly added are in a various professions coming from HR, business, engineers, and all these members have been inducted into the club through virtually. And we have 8 PHF and we have 1 PHS, which is Dr. Savan. Smile Squad, this is nothing but our theme for the year. This is to bring the smile among the faces of the people, club members, and the communities where we serve. Coming to the board, as Reggie mentioned, it was a structural change this year. We made board slimmer so that we have a greater participation and good turnout. You can see the charter members, 2 charter members of our club, Rotarian Thirumalai and Rotarian TD Vasu are the member. Sasi Suresh, who is a past president, Rotarian Ganesh, past president, and we have Pari Sridhatan, who is the immediate past president, and then we have Saravanan treasurer, myself club secretary, and then we have a president-elect for them, who is Dr. Sendil Kumar, and we have Reggie Dose as a president. So this is a member of 9-member board for the year 2020-2021. Coming to the avenue directors, I would say that though 2020-2021 was a challenging year in terms of meeting physically, but a lot of activities have happened in all the avenues. I would thank all of them. Very good contribution over the year. Starting with club services, as Reggie said, Subramaniam and Ann Sita made a remarkable events throughout the year through virtual platform, and Pari for the vocational services. We have Rajkumar have done several community services development projects, Joy of Giving by himself, which I'm going to show in the coming report. We have Sendil, who are the director for the community services health. We had Ashok Kumar. I would like to mention special about Ashok, who has helped a lot of people during this period, being a COVID chair, not only for Rotarian, many people in his residential location has been benefited through Ashok for COVID pandemic crisis. Sasi Suresh, who is the director of youth services. We have Edwin, chairman for international services. Special mention about Edwin. Edwin is the advocate member of RCR, who has recently got a good position in Chennai High Court. And then we have Srinivasan, who is a chair public image. We have Ann Uma Balasubramaniam for literacy chair. With that, we also have Padma Prabhudas, who is a green member, taken up the chairman membership, who has brought 6 members to the club. And we have Ganesh, who is the chair for CSR. Again, Subbu was leading the project Orange. And we have senior member, Rotarian TD Vasu as Sergeant at Arms. We have an NRI member, Rotarian Bhaskar from Denmark, who is our chair for foundation. We have Rotarian Balasubramaniam, who is a chair for Polio Plus. Ann Sita, who is the MC today, and Ann Arini, both of them are the member for RC Bulletin. And we do also at Anet Club, headed by Anet Raghav, son of Subramaniam, who is the president, and then Anet Sharan Rajkumar, son of Rajkumar, as a secretary. Anet Sachida, who is the son of our president-elect, as a treasurer for the last year, 2020-2021. So that's about the board. Now let us jump into the events, what has been conducted into the year. I think by seeing the event, we'll get a surprise whether really it was a pandemic, because so much event has happened in RCR Club. I'll just rush through them through a few slides. I'll start with club services. As I said, Subbu was heading it. The main goal of club services is to enhance the bonding and fellowship. And we have various events like monthly speaker meeting, joining with partnering club and doing a joint speaker meeting. We had a board meeting every month, and bi-monthly family participation, and one we had a charter night, which will be conducted annually. And this club has been last year installation happened on 14th June. We can see there was a president caller exchange and club gavel handover and charter handover, and HANA club installation happened on 14th June. Starting with speaker meeting, these are the various speaker meeting happened last year, all through Zoom platform. You can see we covered in health, politics, business. We could able to get one of the prime speaker, CEO of Swiggy, who is Vivek Sundar, but it was an interesting talk. And then another actress in Radha was there through Zoom, actress Radha through Zoom platform. We had very good Madras Day celebration with Mr. Venkatesh, who gave us the importance of Madras. and we had a media person coverage, Ramesh Prabha. Good session on health by Dr. Pranay John, and we had Groom for Success by Asha Daniel. Not with that, we also covered arts and photography with Rohit Suri, and we have Sound of Music, one of the most engaged meeting, I would say. And then we had biography meeting for MGR by our Dr. Kannan. This meeting happened in 2 phases. We had part 1 conducted virtually, and part 2 we could able to do physically. This was the first physical event happened last year. And then we further moving on, we had covered with health, with one by Sunita Raja, and then we also had from District 20 RI 3232 for the year 2021-2022, Dr. Rotarian Ashok Mahajan was giving a important speech on Rotary role in fighting COVID in India. We also had a speaker meeting in April covering by Kishore Kumar by Rotarian SR Madhu, and we had one in June 2021. Not only with the speaker meeting, we also covered family participation. As committed, we did most of the family participation bi-monthly. Most of them happened virtually. We can see in July 2020, we had an online game and quiz. And August 2020, we had a Madras Day celebration. And in October, we had a fun-filled participation with entire RCR family with the karaoke, Antakshi, and all the quizzes in the Zoom platform. I would say this is the second physical meeting which happened in the year last year, which happened on February 2021, where RCR family organized an offsite meet at Eco Park Chetpet, followed by a high tea at Hotel Beverly. And we also conducted Mother's Day celebration with an importance giving to mothers on March 2021, which is also a physical event happened last year. Coming to the most important one, which happens for RCR, which is nothing but Charter Night, which happened on 30th May 2021, where we had a complete family participation covering the past president's speech about the club, and also we had an interesting tombola and virtual quiz competition. As I said, board meeting, we had a board meeting every month. You can see all the meeting months we had a board meeting, agenda was circulated, board meeting minutes was captured, and it was circulated to all the members by myself. And RCR board made slimmer, so we had 100% participation in all the meeting except few where will be 95%, most of them are 100%. And we also had club officers training last year, which was conducted in the year July and December, and we also are specific club officers training for RCR club by Rotarian PDG R Subbu and Rotarian SM Balaji and PDG Rotarian Olivanan, which happened in the month of August 2020. I would also this year, which is a club training for district officer training for the next year team, which happened in June 2021, which was headed by our DGE Rotarian Sridhar, and we have several various dignitaries present in that meeting. One important event which I want to stress in this thing, first time Rotary Club of Rayapeta hosted a RLA training. Rotarian Reggie Jose was a key member behind it, which happened last week, just few days before, which happened for RLA training for Module 3. And we also had a sister club agreement, which is RC Trivallur Royals. Sister club agreement was signed on 29th August 2020. Another one important event of club services, we recognized all the Rotarians' birthday, Anne's birthday, Anna's birthday, and wedding anniversaries through a virtual greeting card, which is sent similar to this to them, all the members. Apart from that, we also sent birthday gifts for the Rotarian birthdays. So in a nutshell, if you see club services, we could able to do 42 events. This is a donut chart, which is showing the total number of events and various avenues which has happened over the months. With the club services, I'll jump into the vocational services. Again, vocational services headed by Pari Sridhatan, who's a immediate past president. The main goals are to communicate community vocational training, career guidance program, vocational services, and vocational talk. As Reggie said, there was an important event which happened between our Savita College of Engineering, which is our Rotaract College, Rotaract Club College, and Ambattur Hospital, where we could able to get that 14 PG students serving the community. And we also had vocational talks given by various members for college and other clubs. One is our president-elect Steve Sendil was participating in virtual RAILA conducted by Adambakam, which happened few days before. Also, we conducted a Margadarshi career guidance for people through vocational services for all the people. Various career options was explained to the students. And these are all the vocational events happened. One such thing I would say is Ambattur Rotary, 12 PG students completed their internship program by Rotary Club of Rotary Ambattur Hospital, which were partnered between Ambattur Hospital, RCR Club and Savita College of Physiotherapy. We also completed the Vocational Services Excellence Award, which is given to the people who has done good service in their vocation. We have selected 3 people through a board, through a club, through a team of members, which is MS Gopal, Priya Vardish, and Rotarian Rajkumar. And this is the award citation which was presented to them on that day, and our chief guest was Dev, Rotarian Dev. In a nutshell, so in vocational services, we have conducted almost 17 events with the various streams and in all the months. Next, I'll jump into community services development, which was headed by Rajkumar. So again, the key goal is support the community, joy of giving, and improve the quality of life and sustainability of the society. So one of the main event, which I would say that serving to the Manikar Chaudhary, this is one of the important institution, which is where old age people are there. Through our club, we could able to serve them on a needy basis. So it happened in July, November, and also as Reggie also mentioned, we did Mahatma Gandhi night school students at Lloyd's Colony in Rayapeta on Diwali. We also started a project of Go Green, which is a terrace garden, which is still under consideration, which all the feasibility study has been completed, which will be carried out in next year. And we also did a Vidaipom Valarpom project along with the club, which has happened in Koratur Lake. And we have given books, sports kits to the Mahatma Gandhi Night Tuition Center in Lodge Colony in Rayapeta. And we have given 3 kits for 3 tribal families in Gudalur affected by rain and landslides. And we have continued to do public charitable fees for the school students. So these are the glimpse of all the projects what we have done. One important project is COVID kits. We could able to collect 196 COVID kits through this community services project, and it was distributed to all the needy people through various avenues. In nutshell, community services, we completed 18 events over the year, and all the streams are presented here. Next, I'll jump into community services health, which is headed by Sendil, who is a president-elect, ably supported by Dr. Ashok, who is the chair of COVID. Again, so health awareness and community health programs are the goal of this particular avenue. Initially started with all the all the awareness sessions on health. We had that series, Health You See series, which was conducted every month, started from July, October, and September. And our president-elect was participating in Doordarshan television, giving an important speech about dental hygiene during pandemic times. And as Reggie said, the Rayapeta public image was started, and we also served people, given masks for the people who were around Lloyd's Colony in Rayapeta. And we have supported cataract surgery for many people during this last year. You can see in October, we are Thirumalai supporting a Rotarian Thirumalai charter member supporting one of the needy person. Many such things happen over the year. In nutshell, in community health, we have 12 events conducted for the past year. Next is youth services headed by past president Rotarian Sasi Suresh. Again, Interact and Rotaract Club events were covered in that. We have Interact Club installation happened in July 2020, Interact Club form of CSDAV school. And we also had Rotaract Club installation happened in August 2020. And we had Independence Day celebration, which has happened in both Interact Club and Savita College of Physiotherapy. We have many sessions covering during this pandemic to create awareness about the bhajans were there, part of CSDAV. And we also other events like important event was Teachers Day celebration conducted in September 2020. All of them are being conducted through Zoom platform. And we also started as Reggie mentioned, we also started the Interact Club with Chennai Boys School in Lloyd's Colony. It started, the installation will happen in coming year. One of our road tractor who has won the second prize in Best Actress Award and second prize in a short film contest conducted by district. In a nutshell, youth services has 12 events for the whole year. Literacy, again, very specific on literacy, and Uma Balasubramanian was part of it. Where we had a lot of sessions conducted for students, how to educate students. We can see that literacy team CSDA club event was facilitated on Teachers Day, and we have art of storytelling by Mrs. Lavanya Srinivasan, which has happened in October 2020. This was participated by various teachers. Around 40 teachers participated, and they learned how to tell stories to their students. And we also recognized our teachers. We also recognized the important teachers of the nearby people. We can see Mrs. Malati and Dr. Shruti Kamal was recognized on Teachers Day. Also, there were teachers part of our club who are Rotarians and also aunts who have been recognized on Teachers Day. Coming to the public image. So we have created a YouTube, Facebook for RCR, since most of them are virtual events which being communicated through YouTube and Facebook. Even this event is connected in Facebook, and we have few publications which have been communicated in paper. And we can see that NID is one of the publication which was published in the daily. As Reggie mentioned, one dream project which has been started this year, which is under contemplation, which will happen in next year, is Royapettah Clock Tower. We have already got the order. We are in discussion with the board members to execute it in the next year. Coming to the Polio Plus. So we, as you know, Polio Plus fundraiser, we have collected all equal to $1,379 from all the club members. And NID conducted on 31st Jan 2021 around through various centers. 12 posts were attached, and many children were vaccinated. Coming to the membership development, we have 6 new members added this year, all through virtual platform. We have Perumal Swami, Seema, Sivan Ram, Manikannan, JV, and Sivan Raman, all are added in the recently. And we have current members at 28. Coming to the Rotary Foundation, I'll go with the dashboard. We were targeted initially to give a committed as $1,500 for the year, but the total contribution for the whole year was $3,655, with annual foundation $2,075 and Polio Foundation, as I said, $1,600. So the current TRF per capita, as Reggie mentioned, it is $130.56, and target was $100. We have 8 PHF and 1 PHS in our club. So in a nutshell, complete year, we should be proud. RCR conducted almost 101 events for the whole year, and mostly everything happened through virtual platform, and few was able to do in physical with the permission allowed by the government. So I would like to thank the entire committee chair, avenue chairs, who are making me engageful, collecting all the reports and preparing this one for you. One last slide about Royapettah. Since our club name is Royapettah, we want to give a more focus on Royapettah and create a public image face for the club. So these are all the events what we have initially charted things. Few of them have been completed, and few of them will be taken over for next year. It will be more of a MGPP which will carry forward for the next year. One important project will be how to serve the people near Royapettah Lloyd's Colony. As Reggie mentioned, Chellamal Totem is one of the key focus area, and then Rotary Club Tower will be one of the key projects. So with that, I've come to the end. This is a complete list of what are the events conducted in the year 2020-2021. So thank you.
Yeah. You can stop sharing. Thank you, Rotarian Raghu. It was indeed like a corporate annual report presented to the management. I am very confident that we would expect a superior performance as the performance appraisal. I would go with Reggie and Raghu. Thanks for your tremendous support, and thanks for all the members' collaboration in this for making this happen. Thank you so much. So with that, the most important event of the day is going to start. I would request Ann Sita to introduce the President-elect, Rotarian Dr. Sendil, to the August audience. Over to Ann Sita.
Thanks, Roland. Dr. A. Sendil Kumar, is a senior assistant professor and dental and oral maxillofacial surgeon. He graduated BDS from Tamil Nadu Government Dental College and Hospital, Chennai, and did his post-graduation MDS from the same college under Tamil Nadu, Dr. MGR Medical University. He is now working in the same prestigious institution, which is a center of excellence in dental profession in India. His expertise is in treating surgical correction of face bone fracture, jaw bone fracture, cosmetic face surgery, mouth cancer surgery, and oral implantology. He started his career as a tutor in UCMS College in Nepal. After 2 years, he returned to India and started a clinic in the year 2003 and named it Dr. Senthil's Dental and Maxillofacial Care at Villivakkam. Later, he joined Tamil Nadu Government Medical Service and served in various rural government hospitals. And now he has been practicing as senior consultant in various private hospitals in the city. He has become a devotee of Yogoda Satsanga Society of India, Ranchi, and practicing Kriya Yoga philosophy. Personally, he is married to Dr. K. Subhadini, who is also a dental surgeon by profession. They are blessed with 2 children, namely Sachita and Sachin, who are no strangers to the RCR family. With both their hard work, the clinic has become a multi-speciality hospital with minor operation theater facility and successfully serving 17 years of private practice. This is on his professional side. But on the personal side, his passions are many. Dr. Senthil loves music. He is a good singer and has sung many songs in Snule platform. He is also good at playing guitar. On the sports side, Senthil plays tennis and badminton and loves to read philosophical books too. So ladies and gentlemen, here is the multifaceted president, incoming president of our club, Dr. A. Senthil Kumar.
Ellorkum vanakkam. So good evening all. Very happy that thank you so much, Ann Sita, for introduction me. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Dr. Senthil, we will just go through the video of exchanging of collar and gavel, followed by the exchange of charter, and then your acceptance speech.
Okay.
So now we can play the exchange of collar and gavel video over to the controller.
What am I saying? Tata.
Comfortable.
Subbu, the volume is not there, the audio is not there. The video is clear, but the audio is not there. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Subbu, for enabling that for the exchange of collar and gavel and exchange of club charter to the incoming secretary. Over to you, Dr. Senthil.
Good evening all. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Dear one, dear Rotary leaders and District Governor-elect Rotarian Sridhar and District Secretary-elect Rotarian Ravi Shankar and Regional Secretary-elect Rotarian Karunagaran and Assistant Governor-elect Rotarian Murugan. Good evening all my favorite president-elects of Region 4 who has joined today, and my dear past president of our club, my dear members, aunts, annettes, and my fellow Rotarians and distinguished guests from various clubs and district, and my dear friends and past presidents of other abroad. Welcome past president Rotarian Sophia to this wonderful evening. A warm welcome to you all to this installation ceremony of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, District 3232, year 2021-2022. Very good evening to all. Being a government surgeon, my profession itself a community service. So why should I choose Rotary? So you can ask me. The answer is because Rotary is a worldwide organization with the largest platform in different classifications to serve a larger group of people. Once you become a Rotarian, your overall personality and attitude develops, and you will get a wider vision towards humanity, and you will get good friends for lifetime and more fun and joy. So I have been selected as the 20th president of Rotary Club of Rayapeta. This number is always luckiest numbers to me because my birth date is 20th of January. It falls in same day. So I am very happy that I will lead our club in very good way because it is the luckiest number for me. So I feel very honored, and I thank all past presidents, members, and board members who has faith in me and nominated me as a 20th president of our club. I thank wholeheartedly Rotary Reggie Jose, President 2020 and 21, who did a fantastic job in pandemic situation and done a wonderful job leading our club in higher engaged manner in very difficult situations. As the incoming president of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, I have few focus areas during 2022-22 under my leadership. So I want to explain this. So coming to club service, taking input from Rotary International President nominee Rotarian Jennifer Jones said, the same course we want to maintain. We will ensure to meet every week, irrespective of any program or agenda, who have meet and greet with our members. We will ensure at least 2 speaker meetings in a month, and we will have a family participation every 2 months. I have a plans to organize a road trip to Munnar and Goa to increase understanding and strengthen the bond between our members. Coming to vocational service, we will try to establish a skill development program for painters, welders, building construction workers, which have been started earlier with Disha Constructions. For this, we thank Rotarian Thirumalai for his wonderful support. Thank you, sir. We have developed dental assistant training programs for 8th, 10th, 12th dropouts through my clinic and planning to give them job in private hospitals as a vocational service. For this, I thank my wife and first lady of this club and Dr. K. Subhadini. We plan to give vocational service awards from unsung heroes in recent times. So it gives a tremendous inspiration, those who want to do vocational service. We will partner with Rotary District Vocational Service Team for internship and project work in industries for annex. We have, for this, I want to thank past President Rotarian Dr. G. Saravanan, who has done a wonderful job. Keep doing this, the great Rotarian. Thank you so much. And I also want to thank past President Rotarian Thirumalai in a district vocational service team to support in this event. Coming to community service, we will donate groceries, clothing, essential items to support elderly and disabled at Monigar Chowdhury, Rayapuram, and Guild Service Annanagar. We have a focus on improve the water sanitization in the environment through Interact schools and Rotaract colleges. We will ensure to plant 10,000 trees as a part of environment preservation projects. We have our club representation, Rotarian past president Dr. G. Saravanan, he is associated with the Go Green project. Thank you, Saravanan. Please continue your support. Thank you. We will create awareness on road safety for commuters with the support from district represented by our club members. For this, I want to thank Rotarian Reggie Jose and Rotarian Rajkumar. Both of you, we congratulate you on behalf of our RCR team. Continue your support. Thank you. Coming to community health service health, we have going to have a big project in future. The Entrantrum Punnagai, it is an initiative to detect early mouth cancers and free treatment in association with the Rotary Club of Ambattur. For this, I want to thank the President-elect of Ambattur, Rotarian Colonel Bhupender. Thank you, sir, for your wonderful gesture and cooperation in your future. Coming to, we will conduct 3 blood donation camps in industries and schools and colleges. We will conduct 3 screening camps for breast and cervical cancers because it is a cancer which has a more prevalence rate in India. So we focus on mega medical camps.
Please unmute yourself.
Dr. Sundar, you're on mute. You're unmute yourself.
Yeah. We will have a mega medical camp in association with the Rotary Club of Tiruvallur as a sister club, Tiruvallur Royal, and also KGG Hospital, Korattur, and Bewell Hospitals. Thank you, Malar Madam. And thank you, Dr. Ashok, who has given immense support and strength to do the good projects in future. We will identify and support cataract surgeries for the poor and needy people. We will come up with a global project for Endendrum Punnagai. It is very important things. It is the early detection of mouth cancers, which is more prevalent in India. Last year, it is reported 1 million people affected because of mouth cancers. So we are going to take it as a bigger initiative. Coming to youth service, we have planned to send interactors to go to orphanages and support the day-to-day needs and provide education for children. We will implement hand washing principles during this Corona pandemic time practices in our interact schools as part of WINS project. We will plan to organize vocational training for school dropouts in Raipeta area. And then coming to the membership, I will ensure to induct at least 5 new members to our club from different classifications like chartered accounts, orthopedic surgeon, and onco surgeon and journalist. I am confident that I will get the fullest support from new team and members to achieve our future projects and make our club more vibrant in District 3232. So now I take privilege to introduce the wonderful team in a very difficult and pandemic situation, going to be a change maker team 2021-2022. The first RCR leadership team. So I am the
Doctor, just 1 minute, doctor, before you introduce the team. Shall I?
Yeah.
Successful acceptance speeches accomplish 2 tasks. They lay out what is at stake in the forthcoming clear, unmistakable terms, and they do what is necessary in the circumstances of times to build majority support for surmounting the most important goals of the Rotary Association and our club. Your speech accomplished all those. Thanks a lot, President-elect Dr. Sendil Kumar. But success of the club depends not only on how good the president is, but also on the support that he gets from his team. So now was the time to introduce the new board members of the club, who we believe as a team would take our club to greater heights and glory. Here is the president-elect eagerly waiting to introduce his board and team members. Now, the spotlight is all on you, Dr. Sendil.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ansita. So the president, I will be the president, and Rotarian secretary will be Rotarian Subramaniam, and treasurer, past president Rotarian Dr. G. Saravanan. So if you see all the 3, that is Sendil Kumar, Subramaniam, and Saravanan. So it is the name of Lord Muruga. That means all the powers of each one as coming together and make a big bomb blast in future. So that is one other thing I want to highlight here. So we will have a complete have interaction and vibration because all are Muruga's names only. So we don't have any problem in the future, I assure. Then we have a RCR board in this 2021-2022. Past President Rotarian Thirumalai sir, Rotarian past President Rotarian Vasu sir, past President Rotarian Ganesh sir, past President Rotarian Shashi ma'am, and Rotarian Reggie Jose, immediate past President, and Rotarian Dr. Saravanan as a treasurer, and Rotarian Subramaniam as a club secretary, and I am the president. Thank you all for the good team and as a good energy and good vibration. Coming to Club Assembly, Avenue Directors of Rotary Club of Royapeta.
Just
We are projecting, Subbu.
yeah, I'm just sure. It's probably it suddenly got.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, we have a wonderful, energetic woman in our team. And first we go for a club service, Rotarian Batma Prabhudas. We have a vocational service, Rotarian Pari, with a new energetic and new energy. We'll do wonders. Then we have a community service development. We have a support with our immediate past president, Rotarian Reggie Jose, who will support us and encourage us. And we have a community service health. We have a Dr. Ashok Kumar, who has a immense backup support behind the community service health. We have international service. We have a youth service, Rotarian Raghunathan, and we have an international service. We have a Rotarian Bhaskar, who lead club in very good way. We have a very great photographer. He's a very good photographer and a very humanitarian person, and he will be leading the membership. So Rotarian Shivaraman, the chair membership, and coming to Rotarian Thirumalai sir, who is doing a foundation chair. Coming to public image, Rotarian Magesh Reddy, and literacy and Sita ma'am, and fundraising, Rotarian Manikannan, and Sergeant at Arms, Rotarian Sridhar, and club trainer, Rotarian and past president, Ganesh sir. I welcome you all. I welcome all our new office bearers and board members to have a great, vibrant year 2021-2022. Congratulations to you. Don't hesitate, because it's a very difficult situation, because already one team has done this. We are going to see another scenario. Whatever the thing is there, we are all united and we will do a much more project. So I want to congratulate you. I welcome you all with a new vibration, with new ideas and positive thinking. I sincerely thank each and every members of our club wholeheartedly for giving me an opportunity to lead our club, and repose confidence on me to serve the community in this year. It is a great pleasure and tremendous honor for me to serve as a president of Rotary Club of Royapeta, District 32, and 2021-2022 years. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, President-elect Rotarian Dr. Sendil Kumar.
Thank you so much.
That was a tremendous explanation from you. In fact, we from RCR take pride in getting two members who Dr. Sendil introduced. Two of them are green Rotarians, I would say light green Rotarians, who joined our club just a week back. Rotarian Shivan Ram and Rotarian Manikannan were given the position to lead the club in their respective avenues. Thank you so much, Rotarian Dr. Sendil Kumar.
Thank you.
So before going on to the next part of the agenda, I would like to recognize the presence of the club members, Rotarians from other clubs. I would sincerely request to put on the spotlight whenever I call by the name, if possible. So Rotarian Sofia, past president of Corfu Launas, Capodrius, Greece. Thank you so much for taking your time and coming over here, ma'am.
Yeah. Spotlight. Spotlighter.
Yeah, thank you. So President-elect Ganesh, Rotarian Ganesh, Chennai Kings. Dr. Shankar, Chennai Pearls. Rotarian Ilangovan, Bay Watchers. Dr. Suchitra Raj, Madras Commemoration. President-elect Mala. President-elect Rajeshwari Jagdishan.
Best wishes, Doctor. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
President-elect Rajeshwari Karthikeyan Miraki. President-elect Arif Ahmed, RCC Tamrai. Rotarian Mohan Ram, RC Madras. President-elect Santosh Ashok Nagar. President-elect Satish Kumar, RC MIC. President-elect Satyanarayana, RC Velachery. President-elect Colonel Bhupinder Singh, RC Ambattur. President-elect Dr. Varadarajan, RC Adambakam. Rotarian Ram.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rotarian Subramanian, RC Northwest. Secretary-elect Shivakumar, RC Alandur.
Congratulations.
Club President, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Club President Vidya Gopal, RC Sunrise. Rotarian Vijayalakshmi Rajaram. Rotarian Anila Akshara. CSD Rotarian Saravanan, RC Agaram. Rotarian Gopu Sambandam, RCC Thiruvanmiyur. Rotarian Jitchendra, Green City. Rotarian Prem. Secretary-elect Kumaran, RCC Lake City. To add on, District Officer Rotarian Rajkumar, Rotarian Meena Chandrasekhar, Rotarian Ajay, Rotarian Binita Babu, Rotarian Palo Kannan, Rotarian Sri Kumar Krishnan, RC Adambakam, Rotarian Kannan Alagrisamy, RC Nanganallur, Rotarian Hemalata Keshavan, Rotarian President-elect Karthikeyan, RC Madras Pallava, Rotarian Aravindan Silvaraj, Rotarian Chandragupta, RC Rainbow, Secretary-elect Suresh Babu, Chennai Chola, District Officer Rotarian Muthuswamy, Secretary-elect Sarika Prakash, RCCB, Rotarian Nagoji Rao, Rotarian Aravindan Silvaraj, Rotarian Past President Vinod Sarogiji, Rotarian Sainathan, RC Pallava, Rotarian Meghanathan, RC Velachery, Rotarian Frederick, Madras North. Thank you all for joining this and gracing the occasion. Thank you so much.
Saravanan, thank you so much, Saravanan. Let's welcome Dr. Malar. I think she has joined, I think.
Yeah. So,
welcome, Dr. Malar.
Welcome the presence of Dr. Malar Vetrivel, Assistant Managing Director, Bewell Chain of Hospitals, Chennai.
Congratulations, Dr. Sendil, and hello to everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, madam.
Yeah,
welcome to our club.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Now, we have seen the installation of the Rotarians. Now, it is the turn of the youngsters to take the baton and move forward. Now, I would request Annette Leelesh to introduce the Annette Club, incoming Annette Club President-elect, Rotarian Annette Shreya, who is again the daughter of, I would say, immediate past President Rotarian Reggie Jose. Over to Annette Leelesh, please.
Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, Leelesh.
A very warm evening to one and all present here. District officials, are my dear club members from other various clubs. This is Annette Leelesh, the district and treasurer for the year. So, and I take immense pleasure in introducing our very own Annette K. Shreya Reggie. Annette Shreya is a class 11 student of Sacred Arts of Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Church Park, Chennai. Besides being an excellent performer in academics, Shreya actively participates in debating, quizzing, essay writing, and drawing competitions. Notably, she has won several gold medals in almost all the competitions that she participates. And it is very pertinent to note that Annette Shreya has won several medals and trophies in tournaments of Champions of World Scholars Cup conducted by Yale University in 2019. Shreya has also achieved a lot of prizes in several competitions that is conducted within the Rotary district as well. I am happy to say that Shreya is learning Bharatanatyam for past 10 years and is ready to perform her Arangetram very soon. She enjoys playing badminton and is a zonal level champion in throwball. Being a voracious reader, she's actively participated in various writing, reading, and other contests related to literature. This is a very formal introduction of our very own Annette Shreya, but RCR is known to do something new or innovative. So let's look into the innovative side of Annette Shreya. So there we go. Annette Shreya, with a warm smile, has always ridden an extra mile. Filled with compassion, she's always worked towards her passion. This daddy's little girl is all set to take RCR to the next level. Congratulations, Shreya, and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Anant Nilesh. தமிழ்ல ஒரு பழமொழி உண்டு, புலிக்கு பிறந்தது பூனை ஆகுமான்ட்டு. Puli Reggie Jose, Pune Anant Shreya. I think this Pune will take over the Puli. So over to Anant Shreya to get installed as the Anant Club president of RCR for 2021-22. May I request Ann Priya to do the honors, please?
Unmute, right?
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Pune. Congratulations, Anant Shreya Reggie. Over to you for your acceptance speech and introduction of your team members. Over to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Good evening to the respected chief guests, DGE J. Sridhar, outgoing President Rotarian Reggie Jose, President-elect Dr. Senthil Kumar, all Rotarians, aunts, Anants, friends, and family. I'm sure that all agree that it has been a wonderful evening so far, as we mark the beginning of a new Rotary year. To start off, I'd like to thank the President-elect and the incoming team for giving me the opportunity to become Anant Club President for the year 2021 to 2022. I'm privileged to follow in the footsteps of our outgoing President Anant Raghav, the Secretary Anant Sharan, and the Treasurer Anant Sachita, who worked really hard to keep the Anant Club engaged during the pandemic. I look forward to collaborating with Anant Sachita and Anant Rishwant in the upcoming year. While I'm elated to take on the role of President, I understand that the position comes with certain responsibilities. The RCR family has expanded this year, so we have a lot of new Anants. As most of our events were virtual last year, we really missed the opportunity to interact. So we plan to create a directory which will include details and interests of all the Anants in our club. This will help us to get to know each other better and coordinate for district events. Once things open up, we hope to organize trips which will be educational and fun with the help of the Anants. We'd really like to celebrate the accomplishments of the Anants. So we will start a 2-page monthly newsletter. As the third wave of COVID approaches, the RCR Anant Club is going to do its best to help with prevention efforts by organizing and participating in vaccination awareness programs. We hope to collaborate with other clubs and host various competitions and speaker meetings. We will do our best to live up to this year's theme, Serve to Change Lives. I seek your best wishes and blessings for a productive Rotary year. I'd like to end with a few profound words from Margaret Mead. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed people can change the world. It is the only thing that ever has. Thank you so much.
That's Anant Shreya Reggie for you. I hope everyone accord my earlier statement. Puliki பிறந்தது பூனை ஆகாது. இது பூனையே இல்லை, இது புலி தான் இது. Congratulations, Anant Shreya. Over to Ann Sita, please.
Saravanan, I think it's
time
for the chief guest intro.
No, it's a release of the digital club roster.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Thanks a lot, Anant Shreya. புலிக்கு பிறந்தது பூனை ஆகுமான்னு சொன்னீங்க. ஆனா ஸ்ரேயா வந்து தாய் 8 அடி பாஞ்சா குட்டி 16 அடி பாய்வேங்கிறத நிரூபிச்சிட்டாங்க. And now, thanks a lot, Anant Shreya. We look forward for a very exciting year of Anant Club with you. Now, it's the time to release our club roster. We humbly request our chief guest, District Governor-elect Rotarian J. Sridhar, to release the digital version of our club roster.
I have great pleasure in releasing the club roster for the Rotary year 21-22 of the Rotary Club of Rayapeta, RI District 3232. I congratulate Dr. A. Senthil Kumar and Rotarian A. Subramaniam Secretary, who made this possible to get released today. Congratulations, all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now it is time to hear from the horse's mouth. So for that, I would request AGE Rotarium Murugan to introduce our chief guest. During President's speech, he was mentioning Sendil Kumar, Saravanan, and Subramanian. மூணு முருகர் இருக்காருங்க. இப்ப நாலாவது முருகர் சேர்றாரு கூட. Over to Rotarian M. Murugan, please.
Wonderful, wonderful, Saravanan. Very well timing. Good, great.
ஆன் பண்ணுப்பா, மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி பேசு, அப்பதான் என்ன இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆகும்.
பவர் முருகன் சார்
சொல்லுவாங்க முன்ன.
பவர் முருகன் சார், பவர் கொடுங்க.
Thank you. Good evening to all.
Give me power, sir. Give me power.
Thank you. I am Rotarian P.H. Murugan, calling us all by Power Murugan. I am electrical consultant on a professional after VRS from TNEB after 26 years with clean hands. I seen your all projects or your views done good and by the club as well in all the ways. We expect more further this year as enjoyable team action. ஒரு குரல் சொல்லி ஆரம்பிப்போம். குரல் 648 அதிகாரம் சொல்வன்மை. விரைந்து தொழில் கேட்கும் ஞாலம் நிறைந்தினிது சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின். இதனோட விளக்கம் என்னன்னா, வகைப்படுத்தியும் சுயாகவும் கருத்துக்களை சொல்லும் வன்மையுடையோர் சுட்டிக்காட்டும் பணியை உலகத்தார் உடனடியாக நிறைவேற்ற முனைவார்கள். நமது அவ்வாறே DG-க்காக small introduction for DG. Rotarian J. Sridhar is a member of Rotary Club of Madras, Industrial City, Chennai under the classification of automobile parts manufacturing. Rotarian J. Sridhar hold a degree in mechanical engineer and postgraduate degree management. A qualified automotive cooling system engineering expert, he is now the chief executive officer of Magal Tech Private Limited, Engineering Private Limited, as a 1 minute. It is audible now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Murugan. Yeah. A Rotarian since 2000 under his presidentship in 2006 and 7. The club was recognized with the Rotary Action Trophy gold for the overall performance and was adjusted as #1 club in RA district 3230 for the highest per capita contribution to Rotary Foundation. He has held many positions in the district as a GSC selection committee member 2009 and 13. Secretary PERS held at Bangkok and Singapore 2009 and 2012. Assistant Governor 2009 and 10. Assistant Governor Admin 2012 and 13. Director International Service 2012 and 13. District Conference Secretary 2015 and 16. First Chairman, Assistant Governor Admin and District Membership Chair 18 and 19. At the Rotary Zonal level, he also served as Assistant Secretary for Rotary Zone Institute, Bangkok 10 and 11. Treasurer for the Multi-District Pairs, Sri Lanka 2015 and 16. Facilitation team member for training program, Rotary Zone Institute, Dubai 2015 and 16. And co-chair, Benin Monument Committee for Rotary South Asia Literacy Summit, Chennai 2016 and 17. Sridhar and Punita are level 2 major donors and benefactors to the Rotary Foundation and Polaris Society member with a total contribution in excess of US 30,000. Sridhar is actively connected with the Automotive Components Manufacturing Association of India, the zonal chairman of ACMA for Chennai area. Also, he is serving as trustee in Ambur Hindu Education Society Trust. And Void Travelers, Sridhar is married Punita, who holds a postgraduate degree in business economics and manages a software firm, Business Solution in Chennai. They are blessed with 2 daughters, Vidya, a postgraduate in computer science engineering, and Nitya, who is pursuing her law honors degree. Thank you all. Over to our Heavy. Please make a heavy.
ஏவி இருக்குன்னா ஏன்பா இவ்வளவு சொன்னேன்? ஏதோ ஒண்ணு என் டைம் மொத்தம் நீயே எடுத்துட்டப்பா.
சரி போடுறது ஈஸி. போடுங்க பரவாயில்ல.
போட்டுக்கலாம்.
போட்டுருங்க. AV please.
Please AV. ஒரு லெவல் டிஜி இல்லையா, அதனால போட்டு ஆகணும்.
I think it doesn't come through well. Probably we need to skip it.
Voice கொடுங்கப்பா.
We can skip it. நீதான் எல்லாம் voice சொல்லிட்டியப்பா. அதேதான் நீ சொன்னது இங்க இருக்குது. Okay. Dr. Saravanan.
Yes, sir.
போதுமா பாருங்க சார். Okay. நானே வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுத்துறேன்.
லிட்டில் ஏஜ்.
டாக்டர் இது கட் பண்ணிடுங்க.
இல்ல ஃபுல்லா மூடிட்டு பார்க்கலாம்.
ஒண்ணே இல்ல சொல்றதுக்கே இல்ல. இப்ப நான் வேணா வாய்ஸ் ஓவர் கொடுவேன்.
டப்பிங் கொடுத்துறோம் சார்.
ஓகே.
That's his daughters Vidya and Nitya. Belongs to the Rotary Club of Madras Industrial City.
வேற நிறைய பேர் கேக்குறாங்க, அந்த குழந்தைக்கு விடுறப்ப நீ ஏன் வாயை திறந்துன்றாங்க. அதுக்கு கேட்டுறாதீங்க யாரும். It was your club Kishore and me were presidents together. It was in 2006-07. Okay, I think let's okay. Thank you.
Welcome to our club, sir. Welcome to our club.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
On to DG.
நான் கூட அந்த வீடியோ ட்ரை பண்ணது பா, அதை ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுங்க. President Rotarian Reggie and gracious spouse of Reggie, Priya, Secretary of this great club, Rotary Club Rapeta, Rotarian Raghunathan and his gracious spouse Harini, incoming President and the change maker President for Rotary at 2132, Dr. Senthil and his gracious spouse Dr. Subatini, Secretary of this club for the year 2122, Rotarian Subramaniam and Sita, the club trainer, and my good friend Rotarian Ganesh, Rotarian Pawan Murugan, the Assistant Governor to this club for the 2122 Rotary year, and the District Secretary and my good friend Ravi Shankar, Regional Secretary Karunakaran, the visiting Rotarian Sofia from Greece, Changemaker President, Changemaker District officials, my batchmate President, Rotarian Kishore, and for all my training programs or wherever I was engaged in district, my team member, Rotarian Rotarian S. Thirumalai, the charter member of Rayapeta Rotary Club, and its chair Shreya, new power with Shreya. And my dear friends in Rotary Club of Rayapeta, a club which is standing firm in all these last 2 decades, with so many ifs and buts, so many things have happened in our environment. But Rotary of Rayapeta stands very firmly in the world of Rotary. Congratulations to all of you. Reggie has given your club and the Rotary world a great Rotary year. Whether it is a club service programs, or whether it is a service projects, or it's a youth service project, or a public image initiative in reviving the Rayapeta Tower with a clock for yourself, Reggie has displayed and demonstrated an inclusiveness with every member of your club, Rotary families, and the community around. He has been a great example of an ideal president, how he has to be. Congrats to the whole team of 21-22. You have done a great job. You added members to your club. You had a per capita of $131.356 per capita foundation. What else one can look from a club? You have done everything. Once again, Reggie, congratulations to you. Now the responsibility becomes more for you now, because you are going to take up the community service development job. And now I can understand why Dr. Senthil is relaxed. He is clear that you are going to take him forward. This is a club which has got an honorary member, Justice Srinyanam, who used to be a role model Rotarian of the yesteryear for us. And this is the, this is the club history which started with great, the thinking process and with a great idea, noble service. You have included even a new member this year, the current Rotary year. So coming to Dr. Senthil. Senthil.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You may not have time for singing in your mule anymore. Raji has given us a great job now.
Yeah.
So we continue.
Yes, I will continue.
Rhythm, and you have to embrace.
Yes, sir. I will continue as well as I will sing also.
In this pandemic time. And I'm able to see the board members, most of them are either they would have continued from the last year committee member to the board member, or they would have been a past president, or they have been in the committee for a little longer time. I have a special task today to your club. I cannot ask anything more than what you have done. The only thing what I can ask for is you need more members. If you have more members, you need to get more Manikannans into your club. You've got only one Manikannan. I know, I have heard of it. That is why I'm repeatedly telling you, you need more new members. Our organization, Rotary, is an organization where we are predominantly a member organization. After that, only service comes. First friendship, fellowship. First friendship and then fellowship, networking. Of course, service projects, no doubt about it. We are known for it. Our trades are doing service, no doubt about it. But our fundamental is friendship, fellowship, and networking. We need more members. Each one of your club member can bring at least one member. I'm not asking anything more. I'm not asking anything from this club, except if you bring bring one member. Don't you think that you are eligible to bring one more new member? Each one of you, don't you think that it is possible for you to bring the known person in the society by telling them, demonstrating what Rotary is doing a great job in this world? Is it not possible for us to go and encourage somebody who's known to you in business, profession, or in the society, telling them what Rotary is doing a great job and what Rayapeta is doing? You've got a good record, past record, and the present continuous tense, it is going up now from Reggie to Dr. Senthil. 2 days before, Dr. Senthil called and asked me, I need a project to be taken up. So நான் நினைச்சேன் as usual சில கிளப்ல பிரசிடென்ட் சொல்லுவாங்க நாங்க இதெல்லாம் பண்ண போறோம்ட்டு. அதான் நினைச்சேன் சொல்லுங்க சார் கேட்டுக்கிறேன்னு. அவர் சொல்ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறப்பவே புரிஞ்சிக்கினா இது ஒரு கிளப்போட நிக்கல இது. இதை வந்து he wanted to bring it up to the district level. And he said I'm available at with my time, abundance of time. And being a maxillofacial surgeon, my times are available. As a dentist, my time is available in Rotary Ambattur Hospital where I can do a free treatment. I did not waited even 1 minute after that. I said, Dr. Abday the Community Service Development Director in the district, Dr. M.S. Ravi, again he's a dentist. I put him on the call and he said, yes, I've seen his presentation. Then I said, come on, let's propagate to the district. If anybody is coming, any club is ready to support. Anybody who is ready to send the patients to that hospital in Ambattur, Rotary Hospital, let's do that. I also told them in Community Service Development Seminar, please make it a point to announce this specially. And Dr. Sandeep will be there and he can answer anybody asking any question.
Okay, yes, sir.
You have led the district on this direction. What else you can ask? What else you can ask from anyone? A president who is going to take over in about 17 days' time. He's ready now. The only thing is you need more members. Again, I'm coming back to the same point. More members, more opportunity to serve the society, more opportunity to serve the society. The public image of your club and the Rotary International as a whole gets improved. By improving the public image of Rotary, again you are going to get more members who are interested to join Rotary. Maybe Rayapetta may not in another club. But ultimately, what you are doing today with more members, you are going to do more projects. More project needs more public image. More public image brings more Rotary into, more Rotarians into Rotary clubs. This is exactly what we are looking at as an ideal club can perform. And your club is an ideal club and you have done a great job. This district has got Rotarians from your district. என் வேலையை கூட டாக்டர் செந்தில சொல்லி முடிச்சிட்டார். யார் யாரெல்லாம் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் டீம்ல இருக்கிறாங்க, எதுல இருக்கிறாங்க, யார் யார் என்னென்ன பண்ண போறாங்க எல்லாம் அவரே முடிச்சிட்டாரு. ஸோ அவர் மட்டும் பார்க்கல, அவரு 360 டிகிரிஸ் பார்த்துனே இருக்கிறார். நான் என்ன பண்றேன், திருமலை என்ன பண்றார், ராஜ்குமார் என்ன பண்றார், சரவணன் என்ன பண்றார், தினேஷ் என்ன பண்றார், எல்லாம் வாட்ச் பண்ணினே இருக்கிறார் அவர். So we have got a great opportunity this year. It's pandemic time, I agree with you. Last year was a pandemic. Last year was one of the worst times we ever had in the history of mankind, in the recent times. And Reggie has really embraced the whole situation and he really made it possible that, adapting to the available technologies, adapting to the available opportunities, the club has performed in its own way. I have a request for Rotarian Sivaraman, membership chairman, to be in touch with me on a regular basis. It's my responsibility to bring more members to your club. Each one of you have got about 28-30 members now. Each one, I request you to bring one more member. I repeat. You could have governor each one bring one. Because you have been doing things in the most possible way in an impossible times. It is not easy to do a project of public nature or a community-based program or one Rotarians and its youth service, international sister club arrangement, what not you want. You embrace the technology and you perform. Now it's the time for you to make it steady and make it scalable. And also, I was telling Rotary Club Ambattur president this morning, and I would like to repeat here because you have got a relationship with that club. Rotary Club Ambattur Hospital is available. And you are all doing services through the hospital. So what more one cross connectivity can happen? Using the available opportunities, the available resources within your club is the time of doctor. And the resources what Ambattur is having is a hospital. And you're trying to do the best out of that. A great job, great thinking process. And you are really going towards a level of a perfect and ideal Rotary club. I would like to congratulate each one of you. At the same time, I would like to request my friend, S. Thirumalai, Chairman TRF. நான் எல்லாரும் பேரும் நான் வச்சுக்கிறேன், இருப்பினும் நான் 2 பேரும் நான் குறிப்பா கவனிக்கணும் நினைச்சு நான் வந்தேன். So I request Thirumalai to put in more effort Yes, you're done. $131. Yes, last year. Tirumalai, you know very well. I never settled down for anything of the past. Always the future is going to be brighter for you and me. Please guide your club, support your club in foundation programs. Foundation is not all about just giving alone. Taking also is foundation. We can also utilize foundation. You can also utilize the programs of foundation. You can also be participate in the Rotary TRF Foundation programs. I request you all to kindly look into that and then be a perfect ideal Rotarian in an ideal Rotary club. I wish you all the best, and I have great conviction that Rotary of Rayapeta will live up to the expectation of the community, will live up to the expectation of the Rotary world, that you can do it. You are going to do it, and I wish you all the best, and I look forward to meet you all soon. My special congratulations and all the best to Anaksha Shreya. She is another bundle of energy you guys have got. Make use of the young men, young women, young men in our club as Anets and Interactors, Rotaractors. They are the source of creativity and innovativeness. And even when we become tired, they will drive us faster. Take care of them. Wish you all the best and continue to have every week meeting, just even a virtual meeting. Imagine, you will see the magic of Rotary when you have a regular weekly meetings. And you have done it. You have a monthly board meetings. You have done everything last year. I'm only saying that. Please continue your good work on that lines. Thank you very much. All the best to you. All the best to you, Rotarians and Rotary families. Be safe and get vaccinated as quick as possible, if not done earlier. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, DG Rotarian Sridhar, for that inspiring words. ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் நான் சொல்லிடுறேன். அம்பத்தூரோட நிறைய கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு. I am also a charter member of Rotary Club of Ambattur, which was started 30 years back. அந்த ஒரு கனெக்ஷனும் இருக்கு. So we have a long history to get partnered with that club. Thank you, sir. I will take this opportunity to recognize the presence of some of the Rotarians and guests. President-elect Shivashankari R. Sri Porur, past President RCR Sham Sundar, President-elect Balu, President-elect Selvakumar Subramanian, Rotarian Jai, Rotarian Duraivel of Chola, President-elect Rotarian Kali, Rotarian Vivekanandan of Golden Star. Over to Ann Sita, please.
I would like to recognize my great friend who is here. உள்ள வந்த உடனே கேட்டேன், செந்திலை ஃபோன் பண்ணி கேட்டேன், அவர் இன்னும் அவர் வரலையேன்னாரு. I'm very happy to see my friend Shyam. Shyam, welcome back. Thank you.
Hi, Sridhar.
Hi.
அப்படியே ஒரு பாடி இருக்கு சார்.
Rotary year.
Thank you. நீ எல்லாம் சின்னப்பா எனக்கு நீ வாப்பா.
Still also the same.
Thank you.
Welcome, Shyam.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, welcome.
Please continue.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for coming back.
Thanks, everyone. This has been a great installation ceremony, which has set a standard very high for the upcoming year of change makers. We are sure that there are going to be many positive changes, not only in the club, but also in District 3232 with this new team. And as we come close to the end of this, it is important to thank you all for making this a lovely and memorable evening. We would like to invite our incoming secretary, Rotarian Subramaniam, to deliver his word of thanks.
Thank you very much, Sita, for inviting me over here. Good evening, all of you. So, respected ladies and gentlemen, as we come close to this year and also beginning of Change Makers 2021, installation ceremony of the new office bearers, on behalf of Rotary Club of Rayapeta, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to the August virtual gathering. My special thanks to the Chief Guest District Governor-elect, Rotarian J. Sridhar, for taking time and coming for the installation, also for his inspirational speech. And he was trying to push us for getting more members, and also there is a logic behind why we need more members. If you have more members, you have more public image and more to serve, and then the community. And he clearly recognized the support on the dental project, and also said he would be supporting, which is great. So one of the other things which he has specifically mentioned is making the projects which is scalable, which is possible with the capability of Rotary Club of Raipeta in collaboration with Ambattur as well. And also not only that, he also was recognizing the young women, Shreya, so who's dynamic, and I hope we'll definitely have a good ANET Club activities during this year. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to the Assistant Governor-elect, Rotarian Murugan, for his presence and also introducing the chief guest of the evening. So I'd like to thank District Secretary Ravi Shankar for all the support he has rendered, because ours being one of the few installations happening pretty quickly. So I think he took efforts and supported us with all the collaterals at the right time, because of which we were able to do many things with much ease. So I'd like to thank Regional Secretary Rotarian Karunakaran for the encouragement he has been constantly giving us, and then to do more. I would also like to express our deep sense of gratitude to all the visiting Rotarians, the district Rotary officials, the past governors, senior Rotarians, and past presidents, and also the current president-elects, who have given us the courage to dream and passion to execute this function well. I'd like to thank Ann Kala for rendering such a lovely invocation, which was blissful to the ears. I would like to thank Club President Reggie for leading this club from the front and accomplishing so much in spite of the challenging times. And you could see almost we hit a perfect century of events during last year. I'd like to thank Raghunathan, Club Secretary, who has delivered an excellent presentation on the activities and the projects performed by the club during this year 2021, and also was instrumental in putting everything together and every reports together for every month, which really helped us in terms of pulling off such an excellent presentation. I'd like to thank President-elect Dr. Senthil Kumar for the excellent address to the August gathering, and also sharing great plans for the year 21-22 along with the office bearers. I would like to extend thanks to Annette Leelesh for introducing the Annette Club President, and Annette Sachita for walking us through Rotary 4-way test. I would like to thank Annette Club President Shreya for a wonderful acceptance speech and also the detailed plan of her projects. We are sure that she's going to be delivering, if not as much as Reggie, even more than Reggie, as an Annette Club President. Not the least, I would like to thank the MC of the day, and Ann Sita, for doing a fantastic job on keeping us engaged and ensuring seamless transition. I would also like to thank all the senior Rotarians and fellow Rotarians who have been constantly encouraging us, without which this Changemaker 21-22 installation function would not have happened. We will truly be changemakers, get up to soar high like an eagle, taking the torch from Reggie, Rotarian Reggie, and Raghunathan and team. And we had a great current year, and I'm definitely assuring that we'll have an even better year next year as a Changemaker Secretary, also the office bearers team. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Subbu. I think we are on dot. We started at 6:05 and we are ending at 7:35. Yeah. Over to Ann Sita.
Generally, all good things end in a very positive note and a feeling of pride and accomplishment. Now, we close today's event with such pride. Let's stand up for our national anthem to show our unity amidst diversity.